Here's how to make some simple changes to your IDX grid when you're showing homes on your website. So for example, I have a page here called Las Vegas Homes Under 100,000, okay? Now the way I have this now is that they can scroll and they can see a large portion of listings, and then I have them broken down by price. Well, one of the things that I have found is that when I only show 3 houses here and then have a button to have them view more, I'm more likely to get more page views, which benefits me in a lot of ways, from search engine optimization to ads and affiliate income. So I want to change this grid right now that I have of homes for sale under 100,000. I want to change it to a 3-column, 3-property widget, and then a view more result at the bottom. So they'll only be able to see the top 3. I also want to change it to only show homes that have images, okay? So I go over to my IDX, and if you don't already have a great IDX, check out IDX Broker. There's a link in this video, and you'll save the $99 when you set up with my link. If you need an entire real estate website, hop on over to ballenbrands.com, and they can help you do all the integration. Now, what I'm going to do is I just log into my IDX Broker. I'm going to go over here to widgets. And then I'm going to find my homes that are under 100,000. Okay, there it is. So this is the widget I want to edit. So what's actually going to happen is I don't need to change anything on this page. This is the beauty of this. I can go change the widget and it will automatically change this page. So I don't actually have to access any of the code if I know where the widget is. So I've got the widget. I click on edit. So I've already built this widget. Now, I'm going to show condos and single family that are in Las Vegas that are up to $100,000. I'm going to leave all that the same. Now, what I want, though, is I want to make sure I want it to have an image. I'm going to change that. And then I'm going to go to widget options. And here's where I'm going to make my changes. So I'm going to say I want it to be a 3-column, but I only want to show 3 properties. And then I want to offer view more listings, and I want the widget to open in a new window, and you could put yes or no if you wanted to. Save widget settings. Then I'm just going to refresh. So right now you can see it's got all of these listings. We're going to do a quick refresh here. There it is. 3 properties with a view all more results. So I find these days I'm getting a lot more clicks, a lot more interaction, so it makes sense for me to go in there and change those widgets to 3 columns and 3 properties. This is one of the many reasons that I chose IDX Broker for my real estate agent website.